You ever had one of those days where you wake up and you're laying in bed and you're thinking to yourself, something just doesn't seem quite right. And you start thinking about what you did yesterday and you're like, yep, that's a definite screw up. Happened to me today, day 9. Sitting here and I'm laying in bed this morning and I'm thinking to myself, I'm like, that trim that I put primer on yesterday after I sanded it doesn't get painted, it gets stained. Dang it. So today I'm gonna have to go backwards. Either I'm gonna have to try to sand it again, which highly unlikely. Probably just gonna have to go try to find some stainable colonial door casing. Time check is 8:07. Yeah, that's my iPhone XR. Don't laugh at it. It's a cute grandbaby. But today, we're still going to keep moving forward despite having to go backwards. I'm going to put primer on this door. Then we're going to hop into the half bath. We're going to grout the backsplash. Then we're going to plumb a sink. Then we're going to put the doors in the base cabinet. Then we're going to grout the floor. And that's about all I can do in there. That's day 9. Let's get going. All right. Door primed. Here goes nothing. 120 sandpaper with the trim that was painted yesterday that needs to be stained. Yeah, I don't think so. I don't think I want to spend my time trying that either. All right. Well, let's go for a ride. All right, thanks for journeying with us to Lowe's. We went and got that trim, the casing. Got a little wet on the ride home, so it's drying out. In the meantime, I'm gonna paint this trim that goes above the top cabinet in the half bath to brown. So that's what I'm doing. Meanwhile, Shelly's in there cleaning grout lines, so when we're ready, we can go take care of the plumbing and plumb the sink. But right now I'm going to pick this out. All right. We'll let that dry. Okay, for you, those of you who don't know, in a few weeks, Shelly celebrates a very unique birthday number. We'll just leave it at that. And I think in light of getting to that age, she's starting to collect random empty used containers, kind of like your grandmother or your grandparents, would save and like send kids home with food and leftovers and stuff like that. So she's saving her old yogurt containers, and that's what I'm mixing up the grout in. I mean, it works because that's all I'm doing right there. So I don't need a big container full. So I'm kind of glad she's turning a certain age. Or I'm glad she's saving her yogurt cups and repurposing them. Anyway, there you go. Don't tell her. Shh.
If you don't have a bamboo skewer to clean all the little tiny bits, you can always use a toothpick. But I break less bamboo skewers than I do toothpicks. I go through a ton of toothpicks. Alright, I think we got it all.
Alright. Feel a little claustrophobic in here. Why is it as you get older you get these weird phobias? Does anybody know? Why are you laughing?
I can see you through the wrinkle.
Hi.
Hi.
Still doesn't help me.
You feel less alone?
No, sorry. To the viewers, I got my head in the way. All 4 of you. Thanks for watching. Arrow, 20-year-old P-trap. Longer, 40-year-old. Who knows? That stinks really bad.
Stinks very much bad.
Whew!
Oh my gosh, there's a ton of sludge in there.
Ooh, hold on. Let's go see what's in there.
Why don't you get the water out? Look at how much.
Oh, wait, hold on. I gotta get a light. Oh my gosh. That'll make you nauseous. Oh my goodness. It's gonna like, talk about make you gag. Where is it? Ew. Ew, back it. Oh. Definitely not the prettiest. But it could hold water. No time like the present to turn it on and see what happens. Hot. Cold. Well, where's that leaking from? Right there, huh? Right here. It's wonderful little lip edge up here, huh? Let me get some more on it. It's all draining. We'll call it good.